Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. You know, after that win against House of Oak, after that Dreams FC win against House of Oak, everyone was expecting Dreams FC to beat Kotoko at Obuasi. My friend told me that Dreams FC have dealt with House of Oak, they are going for Kotoko next. So when he told me, I was laughing because I knew that Dreams FC, we beat them at home for God's sake. There is no way they can beat Kotoko. The highest they can get is draw. And if we get draw, it's going to be a very terrible result for Kotoko. It will be like a win for them, and we won 3-1. So when Dreams FC scored, I received text and call from my friend, and he was laughing. He was set to go. He was insulting Fabio Gama because he gave away the penalty. But at the end, who laughed last? It was me. It was Kotoko. We beat Dreams FC 3-1, and we are top of the table, expecting Mediama to lose their game tomorrow. So that was it. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe. I hit that notification bell. Asante Kotoko beat Dreams FC in Obuasi 3-1. Vinicius, lovely header. Ganio with a very good penalty kick and a very well worked goal by Andy Kumi after Mudasiri gave him a very sublime pass. It was a very important and a huge win for Asante Kotoko. I'm very happy. You know, when Dreams FC got the penalty, I was like, oh, that didn't come off Fabio Gama's hand. Then I looked again, I saw that he brought out his hand and he stopped the ball. Then they scored. Then before the break, manager Jenfi played the ball and Vinicius had the ball inside. I was very happy because he didn't do anything in that game. That's why he was subbed at halftime, because he didn't do anything basically, and he just got the goal and scored. He's good in the air. I think he's good with his head, that if we want to play Vinicius, we have to be crossing the balls into the box, and that is the way we can utilize a player like Vinicius. He's not that fast, he's not that physical, he's soft, but once he gets the ball in a goal scoring position, he's going to score. I think he's a box striker like Chicharito. Although Chicharito is fast, if he just gets the ball inside the box and he sees the goal, he's going to take that. Then the second goal was a penalty, right? Was it a penalty? No, yeah, the second goal was a penalty. Abdul Ganiu scored the penalty, very good penalty. At first, I thought it was not a penalty because I thought the Dreams FC player got the ball. Till now, I don't know if he got the ball. When I looked at it at first, I thought he got the ball. Yes, so people are telling me that he hit the player before hitting the ball. So me, I don't know. What's your thought? Do you think that was a penalty for us? Because I thought we were very lucky to get a penalty in that particular instance, because I thought the Dreams FC player got the ball. So I felt we were lucky to get the penalty. Abdul Ganiu stepped up front and scored the goal. Then our last goal, wow, Mudasiri is one of the best midfielder in Ghana, one of the best midfielder in Africa. See how he struggled and shrugged off his opponent and just played the ball for Andukumi, and he just slots in the ball perfectly. Andukumi is a very good striker. I'm telling you that Andukumi is a very good striker. You heard it here. Andukumi is a very good striker. Mariano Berto is learning a lot, and I think that we should applaud him. FC dominated the larger part of the first half. They got the goal. After they got the goal, Fabio Gama became in beast mode. He split about 3 or 4 passes and he created a lot of chances, and we got a goal from one of those chances he created, and I'm very pleased with his performance, bar the penalty he gave away. So I'm very pleased with the overall performance. I think Mariano Berto learned a lot from the first half, and he tried not to get beaten by Dreams FC again in the second half, because I feel that Dreams FC were the better team in the first half. The second half, Mariano Berto did his best. He did all he could to make sure that he challenged Dreams FC tactically in the second half, and he did very well, and I'm very pleased with the results and performance of the second half. I think that performance in the second half was one of our best performances in the Ghana Premier League. I think it was one of our best second half performances this season. I'm pleased with the results. I'm very pleased for everyone. Abdul Ghani, Yusuf Mubarak, Aimour Ibrahim, Christopher Nate, they all played well. I think our defense played pretty well in this game. Habib Mohamed, kind of rusty, but Mudasiri was extremely good in that particular game. Fabio Gama, he got the penalty, he gave away the penalty, and he came back stronger and created chance that led to our equalizer, and he played very well in the second half. And then as for Okra, pretty good, fair enough, but I don't think Mariano Barreto will be extremely pleased with his performance, but he did pretty well. And who again? And Kumi came in and he just changed the game extraordinarily. I think overall the performance was good. Mariano Barreto, as I say, is learning, and I think that if we continue performing like this, if we continue, if we continue being giving away this fighting spirit, if we continue putting out this fighting spirit, we are definitely going to win the Ghana Premier League. I know step by step we take one game after the other. We just have to be patient. We just have to work hard. We just have to ignore outside distractions and interference and work very hard. I'm very sure we are going to win the Ghana Premier League if we keep our focus and maintain our focus in our remaining game. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do right now and tell me what you think about the game. Overall, I'm very pleased that we won Dreams FC, because after the Wonders of Oak, there were these talks that they were going to beat Kotoko. So I'm very glad that we shut out our critics. Legon Cities, Dreams FC, 2 wins in a row. We are going for the 3rd in our next game, and that is Kotoko for you. We are going to win the Ghana Premier League if you remain focused and take each game as it comes. So that is why I have to say about the game. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and click the notification bell. See you next time, guys. Goodbye.
Ibrahim's shot hitting the arm of Gama, and it was a clear penalty.
It's an opportunity for Ejenim Boateng Mensah. He comes up face to face against Razak Abalora, and Razak Abalora's confidence oozing all around him.
Can he make it goal number 6?
Kick is on. Abalora went one way and the ball went the other way. Perfectly executed penalty. It's 1 goal to Dreams.
It's a terrific penalty. Ejenim Boateng.
Kicker, so this is Fabio Gama. He's got Jenfi tearing away on the far side. Lovely pass to Jenfi. And now can Michael Vinicius use his height to advantage? Copybook football from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They are back in the game.
What a goal. Great counter-attack. And this is what Kotoko stands for. Great build-up. Gama with a wonderful pass to Emmanuel Jenfi. And you love that pass from Gama, splitting the defense open. And of course, Jenfi unselfishly teeing up his strike partner, Vinicius Silva, to head home, his 2nd goal of the season. And this is his first start for Kotoko.
First start for Kotoko, getting his name on the score sheet as early as the 36th minute. That's good enough for Michael Vinicius. Obviously, he's going to buoy up his confidence. And again, you notice that the referee, Andrew Awurisa, has given instructions to Bafo. You can move only on the line, which means that if he does something different, he will be booked. Penalty to Kotoko. It's Ganiyu. And just like the first penalty, goalkeeper went one way, the ball went the other.
Expertly taken by Ganiyu. I don't remember the last time he missed a penalty kick. Long crosses, it will be well if they possess and push the ball through the middle or the flanks. Other than that, Kotoko are in comfortable lead and they might hold on to their lead.
Strong challenge now. Kotoko come forward. Opportunity for goal number 3. And it's there. There's a reason why he started the game on the bench. Came on as a super sub. And Andy Kumi gets his name on the score sheet.
It's all over here for Dreams FC. Kotoko, about 3 points wrapped up here at the Lenclair Stadium. First of all, let's talk about Mudasir Salifu, how good he has been this afternoon for Kotoko. And he will go past 2-3 Dreams midfielders and defenders before, pushing that tailor-measured pass to Andy Kumi. But you